Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English class. Today, we're going to learn 30 common and very useful English words. I am your teacher, Daria, and I'll be guiding you. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's start with some nouns. These are words for people, places, or things. Our first word is water. I drink water every day. Next is food. What is your favorite food? Then we have home. I am happy to be at home. Now, school. I learn many things at school. This word is friend. My friend is very kind to me. Let's look at this one. Book. I like to read a good book. Here is time. We don't have much time. Next up, money. I need money to buy food. A very important word, family. My family lives in a big house. And finally, for our nouns, work. I go to work every morning. Great job. Now, let's move on to verbs. Verbs are action words. Our first verb is eat. I like to eat apples. Next, drink. Let's drink some juice. Then we have sleep. I need to sleep for 8 hours. Now, walk. I walk to the park with my dog. This word is run. I can run very fast. Let's look at this one. Read. I read a story to my little sister. Here is right. Please write your name here. Next up, talk. We can talk about the weather. A very helpful word, help. Can you help me with this box? And for our last verb, buy. I will buy a new shirt tomorrow. Fantastic. You are doing so well. Now for our final set of words, adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns. Our first adjective is happy. The sunny weather makes me happy. Next, hungry. I am hungry. Let's get some lunch. Then we have hot. The coffee is very hot. Now, cold. It is cold outside today. This word is good. You did a good job. Let's look at this one, big. That is a very big tree. Here is small. The mouse is very small. Next up, fast. A cheetah is a very fast animal. The opposite of fast is slow. The turtle is very slow. And our final word for today, clean. My room is very clean. Wow, you have learned 30 new words today. That is amazing. Practice them every day, and you will remember them all. Thank you for joining the class. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. See you next time.